Hello, friends. Today we're going to go there. With friends, Bing and Rolly. Yes. Let's put together. Let's put the puzzle together. Yes. I think so. We need medium level. Let's go. Alright. We need four corners. Four corners, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Where is corners number 1? Oh, look. I see corners number 1. I think so. This puzzle should be here. No, it's not right. Okay, maybe this? Yes, it's right. Cool, I like it. Corner number 2. Oh, look, I see corners. But I don't know where is. Okay, maybe this? Oh no, I was wrong. Maybe this? Yes, oh cool, it's right. Okay, corners number 3, where is? Look, I see. Corners number 3. I think so. These peach puzzles. No, it's not right. Okay, it's not right plates. Or this? Yes, now it's right. Hey, cool. I like it. Corners number 4. This and his plates only this. Yes, look, it's right. It's cool. Wow, we have 4 corners. Now we need 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. We need all peach puzzles with one side line. Oh, look, I see one peach with line. This. Maybe this? Oh no, it's not right. Okay, or this? Yes, it's right. Corners. Wait, not corners. Peach puzzles with line. This. Oh yeah. I think so. This. Yes, look, it's cool. It's perfectly. And we need line this. Where is peach puzzles? I look it. Hey. Look, friends. Tarararam, tarararam. It's right. And puzzle this line this. Maybe this? No, line this, not this. Okay, this. Oh no. Why? Okay. I see. Friends, look. It is right. Yes, it's right. And we have 2 peach puzzles with like this. Where is? Oh, I see 1 peach puzzle. Shall be here? No, it's not right. It's not plates. Right plates. Or this? Yes, it's right. And well, 1 puzzles this. Yes, look, it's cool. And we have all peach puzzles with line. And we need 2 peach puzzles in the center. Alright. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Only this. Oh wow. I like it. And look.
Oh, fun! I'll make snow kias!
Wow, bingo. It's cool. Okay, friends, thank you for your job. Thank you for your help. And please subscribe and like this video. And see you. Bye.